Good day everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add payment method on Facebook ad account. I'll be using a computer and Google Chrome web browser. If you're using a mobile phone, do not worry. The procedure is almost the same. The buttons may look slightly different, but the steps are very similar. So you can still watch this video and follow this guide. Alright, let's get started. So first, you have to log into your Facebook account, and then here on the left side you will see more, and then look for ads manager. Just click it and it will redirect you to this page. And see here on your left side, look for the billing and payments. Just click it. In the middle there is an option, add payment method. Just click it. So now, right now, you have the opportunity to edit your business location and currency, business and tax information, and you can choose the payment method you wish to use. So right now I'm going to click next, and here you can input your name of your card, card number, the expiry date, and the CVV. And after that, you just have to click save, and that's it. Step by step using computer. I hope this tutorial helped and made everything easier. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.